I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the... I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell? Top shelf. We gon' toast tonight to temporary will. Mama told me, baby, saving, knowing me, I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke. Remember days like just last week. There wasn't nothing in the kitchen left to eat. Girl, what you want? Go pick it out. My wallet looking bigger than my belly now. Girl, what a shame. They slept on me. They coming back and now they crawling on their knees. Ain't nothing changed. Same old me. Came up on some change, but that doesn't change a thing. I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell? Top shelf. We gon' toast tonight to temporary will. Mama told me, baby, saving, knowing me, I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke. Airbnb up in the hills. It costs as much as little brother's college bills. Like 7 rooms, caught all my friends. They on the way across the country in a van. You know I can't promise that this is gonna last forever. Hey. But since I got it, we all gonna spend it together. I'm so used to being broke, but not no more. I'm buying all the things I never could afford. Like what the hell? Top shelf. We gon' toast tonight to temporary will. Mama told me, baby, saving, knowing me, I probably won't. All this money in my pocket gotta go. I'm so used to being broke.
Hi there, how are you? Today we are doing the dance Money in My Pocket. 64 count to wall intermediate. This one we start happen twice in wall 1 and 3, both after count 56. This is 6 o'clock, and there's an ending with step change. Now the dance. First section, weights on the left, start on the right. Back swerve, behind, quarter, forward shuffle, forward spiral, 3/4, weights on right, side shift shake. Next section, cross recover, cross recover, side hold, together side, cross back, back, now facing 4:30. Next section, back forward, 12 o'clock, step lock step, walk, walk, rock recover back. Next section, step step back 1/4, step step forward 1/4, step step, swing it right, left. Next section, side back rock, step lock step, touch forward flick quarter, cross back back. Next section, walk walk, step lock, press left forward, roll hip counterclockwise, recover right, step together, touch right forward, roll hip clockwise, recover left, step together. Next section, forward forward quarter, cross shuffle, jazz box, quarter back, side, quarter side. Now section, back, back, touch, step, kick, back touch forward, rock back, step forward, bring right to left, count, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. There is an ending. Now row 5, the last section. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5. Step forward 1, 6, forward half turn for ending. So this is the whole dance. Hope to like it, and we'll see you next time.
I'm so used to being broke.